Good morning, y'all. It is 4:58 right now, and I'm tired. I am up right now this early because I am going to make Babe some breakfast. He asked me if I can make him some oatmeal, so I'm gonna do that. Very easy, very fast. I like that. Let's do it.
Oh, what's happening, y'all? Oh,
How and why?
Buenos dias, muchachas.
You're supposed to say muchachos and muchachos.
Muchachas and muchachos. Baby girl making me some oatmeal, you dig? Greatness.
I'm so sleepiness. But today's Friday and I'm off on Monday. Y'all, this job stuff, we'll talk about that a little bit later.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, we both in some dookie situations. Some bad ones, I ain't gonna lie.
I don't know what the hell is going on right now, but
We both ready for this ski fucking battle.
I am gonna put his oatmeal in this little hydro flask thing so that way it can stay hot and he can eat it on the way, like traveling. He's a traveler.
I'm a traveler.
I can.
Don't put that wrong stuff in there, please.
Well, look at you. Don't start that fucking
Oh, he could give me hugs.
muchachos y muchachas. Don't tell my son not to bark. For real. You guys. He really went up there for a whole hug. Kane really does love us so freaking much. Are you gonna bring my spoon back? Promise? Okay. I wish I can lie and tell y'all that I'm gonna stay awake because it's 5 a.m. and I'm a productive queen.
Hell no, but I'm finna stay awake.
I am definitely going back to sleep. Me and Kane, every time Babe leaves, we go back up and we lay and cuddle in the bed until I have to get up for work. So I will catch y'all around 6:20. Babe's packing his lunchbox.
If I take more drinks, then they're obligated to drink more of my stuff.
I wonder who would drink more of your drinks. Who has a problem with that? I'm not sure who that would be.
Hey y'all, this my lunch bag. If it kind of seem a little different than a normal lunch bag, obviously. My babe got me this. He's so rude. But yeah, it's got a cooler in this bottom part. This whole bottom part is like...
And there's like 50 compartments.
You could literally fill this whole thing with ice. That's what I do. And I just fill it with ice.
You know, and you can put your oatmeal right here.
Yup, oatmeal right there. I got my spoon on top. But this little compartment up here, this is like where you keep your sandwiches, like chips.
He doesn't want any of that today, y'all. I make him what he wants, what he requests. I'm not going to make stuff he's not going to eat, so... He didn't want no sandwiches or burritos or anything today.
Just stick with the oatmeal, you dig? When I get home, then I'll make me a nice little sandwich.
Period. Or you can eat super Tuscana.
Or that too. What, hater? Oh! What, you want a kiss too? Come on. I love you.
I didn't brush your teeth.
But daddy has to go to work.
Be safe, baby.
Well, you too, baby.
What are we gonna...
Guys.
I love you. Kane, what are we gonna do now? This might be a really bad angle, but I turned up the light and I'm too lazy to get up. So, me and Kane, we're gonna go to bed and I'll catch you guys around 6:20. Okay, girl, we are back in action. Honestly, I didn't fall asleep until like 6:40, so I only got like 40 more minutes of sleep, which is fine. I think I have energy because I know it's Friday and I don't have to go to work for 3 days. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna be fully transparent with y'all. It's been a really weird transition for me to have to go to work. Like, I was emotional the other day because I missed my sister's birthday. I just am not available like I always was to like literally everybody. And that just makes me so sad because one thing about me is like I'm not put on this earth to work a 9 to 5 until I'm old enough to where I'm like hurting and then I retire and then, you know. So I want to enjoy my life. I want to enjoy my family and everything as much as possible. So hopefully soon me and him are never have to work again. My hair is all done. I'm about to go do my makeup. Today, girl, feel a little cute and stuff. All right, I am going to do my makeup right now. My makeup is all done now. I am trying to see if I have enough time to go to Starbucks or like go get myself some breakfast. I don't know. I'm really praying that I do. I don't know if I should leave like super early. I don't even know where the Starbucks is around that job. Or if I should just go to the one that's by my house. It's thundering and raining. Am I supposed to go inside in that? Okay, so I was supposed to wear a cute dress and a cardigan, but I'm not going to wear that anymore. I'm going to wear these flare pants with this black shirt and this flannel with my dunks. I had to come up with an outfit really quick. Okay, so this is the top and the bottom together. And then I'm gonna put on this flannel here. Today is September 1st, so that means fall is here. So what I'm gonna do, here's the flannel. Does this look cute? Like, this is kind of cute. The other outfit would have been way cuter, but this is like giving fall. And then I'm gonna put on these Halloween socks. I don't know about y'all, but this time of year, Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas, I freaking love. And this is the first year that I have my own house to decorate, you guys. So I'm really excited. Whoa! All right. Your girl don't got balance. I'm really excited about that, to decorate my house and all of those cute videos and vlogs. I am just really, really freaking excited. So cute! Period. Now that we're all ready, I'm going to crate. I'm gonna say crate because he doesn't know what that means. He knows C-A-G-E. He's like literally a baby. But I'm going to do everything that I have to do with Kane, and then we will be on the road. I am really nervous about this rain that's outside. Kane cage. Good boy. I'm just gonna turn on Bluey for him really quickly. And here's his minty treat for the morning. Y'all, it is raining. Oh my goodness. It's cold as hell in the car. Okay, so I decided that I'm just going to buy like a muffin or something from the little shop that they have in there. So I'm gonna go in there a little bit early, so that way I could just be there. I do not want, one thing about me, I do not like driving in the rain, girl. Like, y'all. I'm trying not to like scare myself, but this rain is like really bad and it's really foggy outside. I'm about to text babe like this is why I need to be at home, because I'm too scariness for this. Like, why this is my thing, okay? There should be a thing in place that if it's like very bad driving conditions for like weather outside, especially in Vegas, because we can't handle things like this, that work is canceled and everything should be canceled. Everybody should be able to stay home and safe. Like, this is really, really ghetto out here, girl.
To articulate the feeling I'm going through, I just can't say I don't love you. Yeah, you know what I'm thinking, see it in your eyes. Even though we're going through it, I don't wanna fall so fast, 'cause I'm open, I'm trying to protect my heart. She said I don't spend time like I really should.
Take the exit.
She said I keep on running. You know, a lot of girls be thinking my songs about them, but just not to get confused. This one's for you, baby, you my agent. Got a roommate, call me when there's no one there. Put the key under the ladder, you know I be over there. You don't even have to ask twice. You can have my heart and we can share it like the last slice. See, this the type of joy you gotta dedicate to somebody.
Y'all, I freaking love that song. That is one song that like I'm on the freeway. Alone.
Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. You got desires.
I am here right now. I've been here for about like 5-ish minutes. I was just texting my sisters because I'm just so sad. I seen these two sisters walk in together. Not me about to cry, what the hell? These two sisters, like, they parked next to each other, walked in together, and they're here training together. So it just like really, I just miss my sisters so much. Like, you guys know how connected me and my sisters are, and I'm not able to see them like available. I'm not able to like be available with them like at all because my schedule is so busy now. Like I feel like this job just takes over like my whole entire day because of the time that I get off. I was talking with them yesterday, and obviously when I transition home it'll be way much better because my schedule will change to what like I agreed to. But yeah, y'all, I guess the rain made me a little bit emotional too, just because like I just miss them so freaking much, like so much. Y'all don't even understand. But I am going to go inside right now.
You got desires. I know.
I am leaving work right now. It is pouring. It was pouring while we were in there, but thankfully it stopped because I would literally stay my butt right here. But I am leaving right now. I'm about to call my sisters just to check up on them and see what the hell they're doing.
I know. You got desires. I know.
I just got home right now. I look a little bit rough, girl. It's not doing me justice at all. But I'm going to go inside, say hi to the boys. We're gonna order some food before we go to Roxy's house tonight. I am going to Roxy's house, so this is kind of like a 9 to 5, 5 to 9-ish vlog, or just basically all of my busy life, because I've been putting it off this whole entire week because obviously I had to work. I've been more busier and stuff. But let's go inside. I'm gonna touch up my makeup, change into a different outfit, wash my body, and yeah, let's go. Hi, Kenny boy. Hi, Kenny boy. Hi, honey bacheta kasiki buku kaka. What were you doing all damn day? Not working, huh?
Watching your son.
You were watching. Oh, so roles have switched. God, so ghetto.
They want to be in stay-at-home boyfriend.
No. Okay, guys, so I actually just got out of the shower. I'm about to get ready right now and put on some makeup. I'm just gonna wear a graphic and some leggings, nothing a little bit special. And with my makeup, I'm gonna do something very light, but put my lips on.
You got desires. You got that fire, and I'm not a liar. You had me down on my knees, they really had to talk beside. I'm in that 8 and then one of the twist different prior. I try to pay all your loans off and copy you a driver. I had to stand too close to the city, you acting too vulnerable living this life. I still walk your way from Houston before I copy all this ice. You wanna be my number one, you're not acting like the main thing.
Okay, guys, so this is the shirt that I'm wearing, just a regular graphic with some leggings. I'm eating right now, girl, because me and babe ordered some Houston. We're gonna eat before we go because I am starving.
I let you pay my number 2. You barely made the second change. Put you somewhere where no one can find you. Mansion out in the sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. You got desires.
Okay, guys, so this is it. I don't know how to look at this mirror or this mirror. I am actually gonna put this mirror downstairs soon. For now, we're gonna leave them both in here, but this is my outfit. We have to go. Hey guys, so we just made it in the car right now. Babe is driving and I'm so happy because I'm passenger princess. But it's raining the way that it was raining when I was on the way to work. No, it was raining harder. And I don't know if this is smart. If we see like a lot of water on the road, we're turning back. I'm not gonna lie. Sorry, Roxy. I'll call you if it happens. But yeah, we're on the way to Roxy's house right now, and we'll catch y'all there.
But I can't shut them out. I've been praying on my knees, but don't feel to sit down because they know I need a slide. Bitch, I carry my own weight.
So we made it to Roxy's house, and we're both really nervous. We actually stopped at the gas station on the way here and got some buzz balls because I'm scared, guys. It's rough out here. It's really rough out here. But we are setting up right now for the live. This is how this looks over here. Look back. Oh. What are you doing?
Okay, give me 1 second, please.
Are you're like
Sweating?
Hot?
Yes, friend.
You said this is yours. Let me first.
Yes. Should we post on our stories? Or
Yeah. So good. I kind of like it. I wonder if we can drink on whatnot.
Gina was taking shots.
oh yeah, you're right.
Okay. That made my body like, we're gonna add more lights. See you back in a jiffy. We're doing a test run on Roxy's Finsta right now because it doesn't get better. Because we're really nervous right now. And I don't know what to do.
No, I think I can do it.
No, I don't think I can either. Like, I'm not playing. Like, I'm getting really quaky right now. Like, let's go get...
Tell him. Hugs.
We left Roxy's house like 30 minutes ago, and I checked on Kane's cage, and he was out. It literally was just open like this on the camera. And I told Babe, I'm like, babe, look at the camera, like, Kane's out of the cage. And so we get home, and he's literally laying on our bed. Like, what? He went potty in there. We are home now. I'm about to take this makeup off and just rest for the rest of the night, you guys. I've had a long day. Babe has had a long day chilling.
See, almost fell.
But yeah, me and Roxy had a really successful live. It was honestly really nerve-wracking at first, and then as soon as we eased into it, like the first 15 minutes, it went really, really good. So if you don't follow our Mesh Threads account, be sure to follow it on Whatnot and Instagram. I'll put the tag right here. But yeah, you guys, it went really good, and I'm really tired. And I missed my puppers. I missed my puppers. Hi, cute boy. You're nasty. Time to shower. Okay guys, I am completely out the shower. My makeup is off. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't be bacon. I'll catch you guys on the next vlog. Bye.